And so to be able to stay focused on something can be difficult.
So what do you do with that person? That person who wants to be more focused?
Oh, oh. So for that person, I happen to have married one. I've got a few years up my sleeve on this
He's a
one.
procrastinator?
Oh, to the nth
Well,
degree.
good for him. High five.
Uh, he yeah, finds it difficult to make a decision, will put off doing the things. Oh, it's just constant. So what I do with him is I take the pressure off by going, oh, we've got nothing on this weekend. And then just say, oh, can you just do this one thing for me? And so I don't overload him because it's in the decision-making process that the procrastination appears.